Hello everyone, Sriram Kumar here with Santosh. Santosh recently cleared PMP in the month of September. So he's so very excited that he cleared it, relieved, sleeping well, happily. First, congratulations, Santosh.
Thank you, Sriram.
Great. Did you slept well after the exam?
Yeah, for 2 days I appeared the exam on 8th of September and it was on 10th, it was holiday. So 9th I took leave. So it's like Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Thursday I took leave. It's like 4 days I was relaxing.
Okay, that's must needed, must needed.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see the certificate. Okay. Okay, this seeing the certificate would have taken at least a month of time preparation or more than that, a little bit, right?
Yeah.
So on September 18th, 8th, he cracked. First, give a little highlight. What kind of role you play in the corporates?
Yeah. I'm working as a program manager in one of the OEM in automotive domain and
Okay.
I'm working on the software development.
Okay. So when you say program manager, you may handle multiple projects, right? Things will be a little heavy also for your side. How come this thought of learning management to depth came to you?
See, initially, if like one of my colleague who is the person who motivated me to appear the PMP. So it's not like my thought that I will go and do the PMP because it's like everybody's thought that, okay, if you are doing good in our job, so there is nothing required to do extra apart from your regular work. So, but when I discussed with that colleague and my wife who motivated me, no, you
Uh-huh.
need to do something else which is required and only stick to your regular work and your education is not going to help nowadays, so you need to do extra. So
Hmm.
she is the force or motivator who is behind me always, like,
Okay.
yes, you have to do, and
Uh,
she has done it. She actually, after my second childbirth, she took 4 years gap break,
mhm.
and then she prepared herself and got an opportunity. So that also motivated. See, I can do it after 4 years, so you have to do it in your life to go ahead.
It's a
So I'm
strong inspiration and a clear message. Man, do it.
yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Okay. That's a good inspiration. I like that. I like that. Really good. Good. This all driven you came back and people can tell you do that. But personally, after so many years of college and schools, are you able to sit and read well? Are you able to do that?
Initially, no. I've started this journey in 15th of June and this
Mhm.
year. So
Mm.
just started with studying some few books which my colleague gave, and then I one of my colleague Ramesh who referred Sri Learning. So that time I got all the emails from Rahul, what has mentioned that you need to complete the PMBOK 6 before the class starts. So I thought, let me try if I can do it or not. So I've started. 1 hour was not enough. Means I could not able to sit for 1 hour to do the study. Slowly,
Okay.
slowly, slowly, slowly. You see, then I thought that if my kids are there sitting and I need to sit together and I can do the study. So that's the inspiration. So I've started slowly, not like completely 5 hours, 6 hours initially. It took me around 15, 20 days time to sit continuously for more than 1 or 2 hours.
Wow, wow, wow. That's reasonable, right? After 15 years or 10 years, we open up the books. It'll take some time to stabilize. That's very reasonable.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Because some of them are expecting the day one they'll start. I don't think it'll happen. It'll take its own time, right?
Yeah.
Those disciplines, it's pretty hard, man. It's long time.
Yeah. Yeah. It won't come so easily. You have it. It will take its own time to come. And one thing is, like, I like all your points. Like, it's easy to start, and once you'll start, you need to be consistent. That, okay, yes, I need to be there, and
Right,
it's not easy. It's
right.
not easy because we can start, but continuously consistency is not easy to
Not easy,
do.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Leave the study part. Sitting in the class itself, not easy, first of all.
4 hours, and it's like you made sure that yes, 4 hours we need to sit, and that helped a lot. Initially, I thought, oh man, it's now first day. I think the class went up to 6 o'clock. It started and at 10:30 it went. So man, 4 hours, 4.5 hours. Why Sriram is just dragging the things? Why he is not completing that class? But after 2, 3 classes, it's like yeah. Now I can sit for 4 hours and I can do it. But initially, it's difficult.
Tough. It's painful.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. After some time, it will be like not enough. Can you take some more classes? Okay.
Yeah, the last class was like on 14th of August. So oh man, it's now where our class is going to end. And then what I need to do on Saturday, Sunday, 6 p.m. What I need to do? What's the planning for me? It's like it's a complete plan. Like okay, every day every Saturday, Sunday, 6 p.m. 5:45 I need to be ready. That okay, class will start, and up to 10:30 don't disturb me, please. I cannot come. I need to concentrate. So now after that, after 14th of August, I need to think what need to be done. So that was a different planning. Again, I need to do, okay, I will utilize those time for the 4 hours, the mock exam. So I tried that, okay, every Saturday, Sunday, I can go for 6 a.m. or 5:30, 6 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. I will go for the mock exam because that's the time where I can sit and I have already planned it. So utilize that time.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Quite interesting. Good job. Good job. Okay, cool. So now let's talk about the exam part. I'll come for a preparation a little later. I know you did it. Now, exam part. Exam, is it an online or you took in a center base?
Center based.
Center base. Very good. Are the facilities are good in center?
Yes, absolutely. Everything was fine.
They give a bigger monitor.
Yes,
And
everything was bigger monitor, and they gave that noise reduction one. That helped a lot. When initially I put it on my ear, it's like it was paining. Oh, I am not able to keep it. But it's like if I'll remove it and somebody, there are so many other people also giving the exam. So if they will click the mouse also, it will come the sound. So when I put that noise reduction, it was like if I'm speaking, I'm reading the questions, so I can read it clearly. I don't have to shout, so it's good. So I will say that everybody should use that one. Initially 10-15 minutes it will be like little painful in your ear, but that is awesome. It will help you. You can concentrate on your questions.
That makes sense, right? Yeah, that's a discipline. Even some other people also will write the exam in the same place, like TOEFL, GRE. They'll be there.
Yeah.
They have a typing questions. They have a type. So that's a disturbing. Very good. So that's clear. And I believe they give a locker key where you put all the stuff. I think the scanning systems same exist. They ask you to take off your watch, wallet, empty your pocket.
Only the locker key and the ID card, your PAN card or other card you need to carry. That's it. Other than that, everything you need to lock it, and the mobile should be switched off. And once the break, then they will say that, okay, you cannot open your mobile or any notepad. Only you can eat, drink, take rest and go back. That's it.
Right. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay. Very good. So this information is clear. Now, I think the moment the exam starts, there'll be instruction video running on. After this, the test starts. Did you have any time management in the mind before you go to the test?
Absolutely. So in the last class, you have mentioned that 2:30, so give 90 minutes, then 80, 70 that way. So what I thought, 2:30 minutes will come. So I will give 60 minutes. For the first 60 questions, I will come check up to 150. Once the timer will 150, I'll stop it. I'll take a break. Then next I thought, okay, next once it will come from 150 to 75, I'll take the second break. So that was my plan. And what I was thinking, okay, take 20 questions. Now the time started 2:30. So 60 questions I need to complete in only 80 minutes. So 20 questions, after 20 questions, I used to see the time, how much time I spend and how much time is remaining. So that is the way I have started. And it took me around 160. I mean, so when the timer reached 160, then only I finished, and 5-10 minutes was there. So I put around 5 to 10 questions for the review, but I did not get much time to go through again for the review. So what I did, I did not make any changes in my options. Whatever I've selected, let it be. But I just went through again. Maybe somewhere something I missed, but I did not change anything. Then I took a break, the 10 minutes break. I would say that that 10 minutes break, it will go in 5 minutes. You, you will feel that, okay, I've just spent 5 minutes and now the time is already over. So when I took the break and came back to my seat, then I saw that only 30 seconds is left.
God. Okay.
So
Okay.
I thought I just spent 5 minutes, not more than that, but no, it will go. So we need to be little proactive, and we need to check our timing. That when I have started from there, and 10 minutes will go very fast.
Right. That makes sense. Okay, good. So those are the initial points which people have to keep in mind. Very good.
Yeah.
So when it comes to exam, there was always an assumption that exam will have more hybrid questions. Exam will have little lengthy questions.
Mhm.
Is it the same situation for you also?
No, for me, the questions were 2 to 3 lines, not much, and it won't mention that it's a agile or hybrid. By looking at the options, you will come to know is it regarding the agile or not. So first thing is, when I started the questions, first 30 questions were, for me, I thought it's very tough,
Hmm.
and I I thought that, okay, I won't be able to clear, and
First slot itself decided, man, this is not going to happen for me.
this is not going to happen. 30 questions, it's like maybe I was nervous, maybe. So but 30
That's
questions was like I don't know what is the question, what is the answer. It's like everything is going bouncers. So uh, then I thought, after the 30 questions, I thought, man, now I need to be, I thought, no, 150 questions more are there,
hmm,
I can do it. I don't know
hmm.
what happened on 30 questions. Next 150 questions, I will
Was in control. Hmm.
correct everything.
I
So
I think initially it happens, I believe, not only for you, anyone took the exam. The initial time it is something little scary. You get to lose a lot of time. Then
yeah,
how do you got the hold? What's the mantra there?
no, I would say that it's required on self belief and self motivation. There is nobody in the center who can help you other than self. We are the person who can help us.
Who
So
will
I,
help you? Come on, no
yeah,
one will help you.
that is what, we are the person. So I thought, okay, I need to clear it, I need to do it, and I know that the next 150 questions, and
Hmm,
I have scored well in the past all the mock exams, I know I can do it. So yes, go for it. So
hmm,
that's what I thought, irrespective of whatever questions will come. Don't be so tensed. I have motivated myself there itself. No, I will do it.
I think that's a good thing you did because we need that self push. Now, if not, it won't be easy to do. Very
Correct.
good. Nice to know. Nice to know. So, if you want to give some thoughts towards examination, people working on, I mean, the exam center perspective or writing the exam for 4 hours, what will be your thoughts for them?
Okay, we should go for the center base if it's available in the city, because
Right.
it will help you, and there will be, you can concentrate more. I believe at home it little be little disturbance, distracted will be there. Maybe the kids will be there, somebody will come to your house, so that will give you little distraction from your exam. So it's
Right.
better to go for the center base, but it's depends on their situation, and they can select it.
See, some
And
people they're far away from the city, so they could not get to that, right?
yeah,
So they need online by that time. Okay.
yeah, so it
Got you.
all depends on the situation, and there are few tips, like I completely followed whatever suggestions you have given. So
Uh-huh.
like it's like we need to go to that content outliner, the enablers, and made a note that, okay, we need to make sure that everything is whatever is there, you need to make a note of each and everything, go through. I've appeared in Sri Learning questions, and the exams are helped a lot
Mm,
to
mm,
understand the concept.
mm, mm.
And then it study hall, I would say that the language, whatever language we have in the main exam, it is similar to that one. So the
Oh,
study hall
oh.
also, it will help you. So
The
what
combination
it's
of Sri learning and study all helps you. Mm,
yes, I have given only best study hall 2 exams, and Sri Learning all the mock I have given, and
mm.
one online mock prepcast was available free, so that I have appeared. Other than
I
that,
did. Okay. Okay.
So and you know that during the last moment of my exam, I have appeared a few online free exams, which was I don't know, it was I scored all low score there, and I was demotivated. I messaged you that man, I don't know what is happening, I'm getting low score. So thanks to you, because you motivated a lot, and you called me at around 10:45 11 p.m. night. So thanks for that. And after that I thought like, let's not go for all other examination,
Mm.
so concentrate on the Sri learning examination and the study hall, that's it. So I would say that other whoever is now preparing, so don't appear continuously the examination,
Mm.
the whatever, if you're getting free or not, you should give rest to your brain. That's what you suggested. I'm just using your
Yeah,
words.
right.
So
You're right. You're right. That see, resting time only helps us to think better. If you keep
correct.
on push it, it can't. Right? We are not used with that nature of life, pushing
Correct.
heavily. Mm.
Correct. So that happened. That happened with me. So I thought, okay, let's not. And last 2 days, I did not do anything. I'm just going through my notes.
Uh-huh.
So eighth was my exam, sixth, seventh, nothing. I did not do. I did not open the laptop. I just going through my notes.
Nice, nice. Good decision you made. Super great. So I understood the beginning part, the motivation, understood the exam part. So in between, I assume that you spent after June means July, August, you would have spent time reading.
I joined 25th June Sri Learning,
Mm.
and from
July.
there I've started. And 10th July the first class it started.
Started.
Yeah.
August, you been done with the classes, and then you would have kick-started reading. It looked like a short duration. Within short duration, you cracked it. That's good. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Nice. Nice to know that. Fantastic. Great. Now, any tips for the people who are coming from the industry where they don't know much about management? So, what do you say? Which book is good for them to read?
First of all, they should go through the PMBOK 6, so get the details. Then Rita. Rita will help you to understand. It will give you the examples to understand. So it will it's very good to understand once you'll get the higher level from the PMBOK. So
Mm,
for me, before starting the training, I have completed the PMBOK 6
mm.
once. Then while going through the training, I completed the Rita and appeared the all the examination from Sri Learning.
Right, right,
So Rita
right.
and PMBOK will help you, and the Agile Practice Guide.
Superb. That's great. It's very clear. So I'm so happy that your family supported. That's very important, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that too, when you come close to the exam last 1 week, I'm sure your family should be more supporting you. If not, you cannot be 100% into the preparation. So credit to the family for supporting on that place. And again, I can see that your wife did something very big and she made you to start looking in the direction. So you have a goal setter at home.
Yeah.
Fine. Apart from this, you want to give credit to your family members? Anything special?
Yes, I would like to thanks my parents, my elders for their blessings, because it's been June mid onwards. My parents, they told that, okay, you concentrate on your study. You don't have to call us every day, because I used to call every day to them. So they
Mm.
told that it's not required. We can talk to my wife, and you don't have to call us. Whenever is urgent required, we'll give you call. So you don't have to disturb, don't think much, and concentrate on your study.
Right,
So
right.
I would say that
So they
from
said
far away.
don't do daily stand up. Stop it.
So that's a
Uh,
little bit support from my parents, the blessings, and also that's and my wife, and of course Asif, who is the person who motivated, and he had the belief and faith that yes, I will clear the exam with above targets. And Ramesh, for referring Sri Learning, and that he referred me. And of course, you are the motivator, and I would say that the motivation, the encouragement, and you are available anytime, because it's not easy for handling so many people. So many people will message you, call you, give you update. You have all the update for each everybody, and as well as you are calling them, you are encouraging them and giving them confidence. It's not a easy task. It's very difficult, very very difficult, and you are doing it so simply, like, oh, it's like simple. It's nothing difficult job. So hats up to you, and thanks for your all the confidence and the motivation and the pointers. So I would say that if people will follow you directly, whatever you're saying in the classes and in the videos, whatever you're sharing, and the Rahul, whatever he's sending the daily questions, it will be great that definitely they will clear in 2-3 months. It's not required to drag it.
Superb. Thanks for the trust and thanks for giving those credits. I appreciate that. And good. So fine, all the viewers, I'm sure you all got some valuable points from Santosh, which is going to help you. I'm sure you're moving towards examination. His tips will definitely help you. I always tell that tips can give you some guidance, but you can't just copy the tips because that's his special way of doing. But some points about the exam center, some points about reading, some points about simulator to use, those things will definitely help. Yeah, please take it up. Give your wishes to Santosh and likes and comments for his wonderful achievement. And Santosh, once again, thanks a lot for coming up here and giving this a success story. Let this help a number of people around.
Thank you.
Okay, good.